Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today we're going to show you exactly how to create a shared Google Photos album, making it easy to organize and share your favorite memories with friends and family. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Photos app. You can usually find it right on your home screen or inside the apps drawer if it's not pinned there. Step 2. Next, once you're inside the app, you'll see all your photos and videos listed in the menu. Tap and hold on one photo or video to activate the selection mode. After that, you can manually select other photos or videos you want to include in your album. This way, you can pick exactly what you want to share or organize. Step 3. Then, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Add To option and tap on it. From the list that appears, select Album. This step lets you group your selected photos and videos together in one album, which is very useful for easy viewing and sharing later on. Step 4. Now it's time to name your album. Type any title you want and add a description if you like. Once you're done, find the confirm icon at the top of the screen and tap it. Just like that, you've successfully created your new album. Step 5. To share your album, locate the share button at the bottom and tap on it. You'll see a list of apps and platforms where you can send your album, like WhatsApp or others you have installed. Choose the one you prefer to start sharing. Step 6. Finally, select the Create Link option to generate a shareable link. If you want, you can pick specific people to send the album to, then hit the Send button to confirm. And boom, you've just created and shared a Google Photos album. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.